Good morning. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, happy and sound. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I didn't have a new vlog for last week just because, or the last 2 weeks, because I just feel like I really wasn't feeling it. My mojo was just not mojoing. But this week, it's so back on. This morning I went to therapy, which was amazing as always, and now I'm at 12th month in Burlingame. It's my first time here. I didn't know that Burlingame would be so cute. I went to Salt and Straw, I perused around the Apple store, I had a quick little meeting with my friend Michael about an upcoming event that we're going to work on together in LA this summer. And now I'm at 12 month. My good friend Darren is the content director for this lovely establishment. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have to give you a tour, but yeah, we're gonna create some content. He has a whole story and script made just for me, and I'm really excited for it. So this week is not as busy, but it is very eventful, and I'm really excited to show you how the week goes. So welcome to a new vlog. Up. We're currently in this little room. This whole place is just so stunning, and there's a greenhouse. Like, look at that. It's stunning. This entire place is just stunning. I'll have to come back. Here's what we're working with. I want one of these little TV screens for my camera. While I wait for Darren, I figured I would show you my outfit. I'm wearing this off-the-shoulder long sleeve top by Glassworks London, one of my favorite clothing brands. They're based in London. These jeans are from La Bonito. They sit perfectly on my waist, which I love. They're like not super high rise, but not super low rise. They're just right in the middle, which is perfect. And I love the way that it folds. Like, you see that? Really cool. I'm wearing these black slingback heels from Cezanne that I always wear. So yeah, super excited to get started with filming. Also, I decided to curl my hair a little differently. I used both a straightener and a curling iron, and it gives off this super natural wavy look, which is really nice. I'm actually getting rid of my extensions at the end of the month because I am going to the Philippines, and I feel like it's going to be such a nightmare going to the Philippines with extensions in, considering it is so hot there, and I'm going to be swimming in the beach, and like, I don't want sand going into my hair with the extensions in. Like, that sounds like a complete nightmare. So I'm gonna have short hair again in a few weeks, which I'm super excited about. And then I'm gonna have them planted back in when I come back from my trip. What a day it has been. I am currently at Lafayette Park. I'm going to leave in a couple of minutes, but I just wanted to check in and tell you about how my day went. Going to therapy was so well needed. It was really, really nice to just talk everything out. I didn't have my therapist for 2 weeks. He was out of town, and I just had so much to tell him. And it's so nice when you have someone to just kind of release everything to. And I just feel so much more free going into the days beyond today. So it's really nice to have a therapist. If you don't have one, I highly recommend one. There are a couple of ways to get therapists, like BetterHelp and such, but I found mine through OpenPath, and yeah, he's been amazing. We're 2 months into this, partnership, and it's just been really nice for me to have a therapist now. It's my first ever therapist in my life. Afterwards, I went to 12 month. Well, I went to Burlingame, and Burlingame was so adorable. It kind of reminded me of Pasadena, like Colorado Boulevard. Really nice, really safe, and very clean area. Absolutely loved it there. And I went to 12th month to help my friend Darren shoot some content, which was great. And then I quickly went back home and I walked on over to Lafayette Park to create some content. Every Wednesday I create a video where I talk about wine and I teach my viewers things about wine. I'm not a connoisseur, I'm not a sommelier. As I learn, I like to also spread the knowledge to other people as well. So I hope that these videos are really helpful, but Otherwise, they're really fun to make, and as I'm filming these, I'm also learning so much more myself and really retaining the info. So tonight I have a movie premiere event, and then I have a dinner, and then I'll be back home. So that is just a Tuesday in my life. Happy Thursday. Wait. Happy Wednesday. Today is a very mellow day. It's really nice and gloomy and a little bit rainy outside, which is nice. I started the day off with a yoga class. I have been loving my Ashtanga yoga classes. I've been really consistent with seeing the same yoga teacher on the days that he's teaching, and it's been so nice. Like, I'm really getting into the flow of it. It's a really good class. So I just finished getting ready. I'm going to head to Third Cousin and create some content for them. I'm their social media manager as well as their content creator, so I create everything that you see on their Instagram page. So if you check it out, let me know how you like it and if I'm doing a good job. I'm gonna go there later, and then I have a second shooter with me. I am finally expanding my team and building a little team of photographers, video editors, and all the things. So really happy about that. I totally forgot to vlog yesterday, but pretty much I went to the pawn shop. I saw some local creators, caught up with them, hung out with them, and then watched the movie. We watched Black Bag, which was a really nice movie. I will say though, that's definitely a movie that I would watch at home. Like, get cozied up, put my pajamas on, face mask on, fuzzy blanket on, cat next to me, cuddling me, and watching it with my boyfriend at home after a nice home cooked meal. Like, that's the type of vibe that I got from the movie. Great movie. I went into it not even knowing what the movie was about. I didn't even watch the trailer at all. I kind of just went into it, and it was really good. Michael Fassbender looks so good, and the other actress, oh my god, I'm blanking out on her name. Cate Blanchett, amazing, stunning as per usual. Really good movie, really good cast, and just really nice. It wasn't like a corny spy movie, which I really enjoyed. And I just feel like movie theater culture is just leaving. I really don't find myself going to the movie theaters at all. The only time I ever do is if a movie like Avatar with the blue people, Avatar is coming out on theaters. Like, that to me is worth watching on the movie theater. But nowadays I'm not that into watching movies. I don't like the idea of getting dressed up and then watching a movie and then that's it. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Ever since the pandemic hit, I just literally don't even go to the theater anymore. I probably go like every couple months, if that, maybe a couple times a year. But it's not really by choice. It's more so there's an event happening. So regardless, if there wasn't an event happening, I wouldn't even go. But yeah, that's my honest thoughts on what's happening with movie culture. But anyway, after Third Cousin today, EJ and I are going to have a cute little happy hour date, which I'm super excited about. I forgot where we're going. I think it's called Nakamo or Boo Boo or Moo Moo. Something. But apparently it's really good, and I'm really excited. And I love a good day when it's nice and rainy outside. It's just so much fun. So yeah, I'm going to finish getting ready, get my work bag all set up, and then go to Third Cousin.
Welcome back to Third Cousin, everybody. Today we've got the beautiful bluefin tuna. I'm gonna break this baby down. It's gonna go out of the menu. We try and do as much whole, of course. Ooh la la. Well, come in and try this brand new dish. This is the crispy Japanese rice.
So today is Thursday, and I started the day off by going to Campbell, which is a small town right outside of San Jose. I have a client there. It's a really cute boutique called Flora. I've been doing social media consulting for them as well as creating content for them. I've been working with them for 6 months now, and I always love to go there and create content with them. It's such a fun team and very feminine and light and just super fun. So, and it also gives me a good excuse to leave the city and go to San Jose. So I got back a couple of hours ago. It is now 5:30. I'm quickly finishing up. I'm about to head out the door for my dinner with Japan Airlines at Statebird Provisions. I've never eaten there before. I'm really excited. It is a Michelin star restaurant. Okay, so I just put on my dress. This is by Glow Modesty. It's a very stunning, gorgeous pink kaftan. Absolutely love it, and I figured I would just dress up for the occasion. For my perfume, I'm going to use Merit's perfume. Absolutely love this perfume. I mean, like, look how much I've used up. It's such an amazing perfume and it lasts all day and all night long. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm gonna put this in my purse. This is my purse for the evening. I'm wearing my cute little Coach bag that I got a year ago at Carmel by the Sea. I'm gonna bring my camera with me as well as a mini light. And then I'm also going to bring my little DJI, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna head out and I'll show you guys the dinner.